In this video, I will show you how to watch ESPN on YouTube TV. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open YouTube TV on your device and make sure you're signed in into your YouTube TV account. So in here, you can actually use the search field represented by a search icon at the top right of your screen beside this shopping bag icon and the question mark or information icon. So just go ahead and click on that search icon. And in here, go ahead and search for ESPN, and all of the channels under ESPN will be found in this area. So click on ESPN and that will redirect you into this pop-up of ESPN. So as you can see in here, you can simply look to what is currently live on ESPN and click on that to watch that on your device. You can also check out the upcoming shows for ESPN on YouTube TV. So this will allow you to check what time your expected show will be up on YouTube TV for ESPN. You can also filter out the series, films, see featured, E60, 3430 series under ESPN. And that is how you can simply watch ESPN on YouTube TV. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.